And yes, that is a smart car. In front of you, you can see a smart car. And in front of you, you can see a very sexy, hot-looking man. I'm not single. So, hey guys, what is up? I'm in beautiful Florida. Again, it's nice. So, yeah. Intro of darkness, then redness, then whiteness. Oh, where's the whiteness? Then whiteness. There we go. Whiteness from my shirt. Yes. Spot the darkness, then redness, then whiteness. Alright, ready? That's the darkness. There's the redness. And there's the whiteness. Bam. I'm wearing the redness and whiteness. The mailboxes are the darkness. Anyways. So, my computer now has a Core i3 in it. And I want to get it upgraded to like a Core i5 or a Core i7. Because it doesn't play Minecraft all that well. I mean, when I'm recording videos, I'm usually getting like up to probably like 30 frames per second, then it will drop. So I'm hoping probably to get up to like 50 or something when I get an upgrade. I don't have a case on my phone right now, which kind of sucks. But yeah, I want to get like my computer upgraded to either a Core i5 or a Core i7. Dandaman got his upgraded to a Core i5. I was looking to get mine upgraded to a Core i7. You know, when Core i5 was cheaper, I really want to get a Core i7. Because Core i7s are better for gaming. That's the person. Hey. And honestly, I don't think a Core i5 with enough this and that is not all that good. You know, it's probably alright, but like, I want to really get a Core i7, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not. You never know. Right now, I'm just stuck with a Core i3. And that's not all that good. It's poo-poo. Well, it'll play some games. Like, it'll play some, but I have an itch. But it won't play all. So I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's my feet walking. You know, I don't know. But like, I want to try to get at least some kind of good upgrade where I can record videos again. And heck, hey, it's the Corvette. It's the Corvette. It's awesome. Look at that Corvette. Look at it. Yes, that's a Corvette. But like, hey, it's right behind me. Okay, that was your screenshot moment. That was a screenshot moment. You should have took a screen. I could take pictures. I just took a picture in the vlog. But yeah. Honestly, is there anything else to ramble about? Oh yeah, Minecraft 1.6. Oh, updated. Minecraft 1.6.2. Horses. All of the above, dude. You know. Hell. And also, if I do get my computer upgraded, I don't know how, but I want to record Sims. I desperately want to record Sims. Make hot girls. Oh, that's my favorite thing to do, is to record Sims. Oh my god, you look so much beautiful on an iPhone 5. Hey, remember the old video where I said I wanted an iPhone 5 and I was recording on an iPhone 4? Well, look what I'm recording on, an iPhone 5. But yeah, anyways, yes, that's my phone, by the way, is an iPhone 5. And it is actually kind of hard to hold it the way I used to hold it. Holy fucking nutters. Excuse my French. Oops, excuse my French. I have a really, really bad tendency of cussing sometimes. But yeah, but like, honestly, I will keep you guys up to post maybe on Twitter. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, the link will be on screen. Yeah, but like, link will be in the description down below. Cut. Morning. What's up, Reggie? I'm doing fine. But like, yeah, the link will be in the... Huh? I think so. I'm just walking around. Yeah, see you, Reggie. That's Reggie. But, anyways, freaking a Core i7 in my computer. Holy crap, we walked all this way. It only took me 5 minutes. Heck. So, like, Minecraft 1.6.2 is out. Oh my god, I upgraded it in Massachusetts. When I was in Massachusetts. Alright, let's use common sense. Hey, how's it going? Talking to the audience. Fine featherless audience. Fine featherless audience. But like, I upgraded my Minecraft to Massachusetts. You know, it's nice, but I want to record The Sims 3 and make hot girls. You know, I want to do like this series of like me, you know, if you guys ever heard of Life Summer, I don't know. You know, she makes really good Sims. You know, I've watched some of her videos and heck, she's good. She's good. But the thing is that we haven't seen her face yet, so show your face! No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I'm just kidding around. But like, yeah. Honestly, I think I found the treasure of making really hot sim girls. So let's go back to my house. Really, really hot sim girls. I mean, freaking sim girls I make. Freaking a 40-year-old want to date them. Oh, dude. What is this? What is this? What is that? Anyways, I'm gonna go. I will see you all's next vlog. No, come back. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to my house. I'm gonna go watch some Captain Sparkles. I left my iPad on. Oops, probably down to 10% already. Knowing how long I left the damn thing on. But I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Bless you if you sneezed, which is the most polite thing to do. And bless me if I sneezed. I know I do my outro like Toby Turner. It's fun. It's okay to copy. It's okay. But I've changed my outro. But the only thing I'm not going to change the outro of darkness, redness, whiteness. I know it's so copying me. Who gives a crap? Anyways, I'm going to go. Subscribe. Subscribe. Haha. Outro of darkness, then redness, then whiteness, then pop! Ooh, what was that? 1 minute. Pop! Not a very good booper today. Hold on. Sorry, didn't want to see that. Whiteness! Then pop! I can't boop! Boop!